Hi, it's Kelly Savage with the Butterfly Thoughts Podcast. In a few short minutes a day, we provokingly reflect and challenge ourselves into a different perspective, starting with just one thought. I coined them butterfly thoughts because we need to be reminded transformation comes in stages and can bring about beauty for butterflies and our lives. Today's episode is the helpful light. I went to a place today, and as I was there and visiting, the lights went out all of a sudden. I believe you all have been there and experienced that at least once. It's kind of funny how everybody gathers together then. What just happened? I wonder how long that's going to be out. How is this affecting us? I can't do this anymore. All kinds of different things come out when the lights go off. So, of course, we readjust. We figure out what we can do versus what we can't do. That's what we should do, right? So other people, of course, start gathering. Do you know what happened? It's kind of like one of those things where we start looking out the windows. Are there trucks out there? It kind of can become a whole big thing. So everyone had their own questions, but we realized that in the midst of it, it really does affect our lives instantaneously when the lights go out. So we're adjusting, talking, getting through it, even getting some of the information that we need. And I have to go to the bathroom. So I go to the bathroom, and I think that it has happened to you, but you go to turn on the lights because that's just what we do. And that's exactly what I did. Of course, you chuckle, oops, lights out. So you realize you're going to the bathroom in the dark. Okay, so it's light out. It is daytime. A lights out nighttime situation brings on more challenges. But when I closed the door, I realized that the room is totally dark, pitch black, because it's situated where it is in the place. But at the bottom of the door was a beam of light from the daylight coming in. So as I'm in the bathroom, I'm looking and I'm gravitating towards that light, because everything else is just totally pitch black. And I kept my eye on that light, knowing that that's where I need to open up the door, that's where I need to be. So the butterfly thought flew in and says, the light is there for your help. God's word is our light. We can be the light for someone else as well. Now that's a nice thought. We can be the light for someone else, and God's word is definitely our light. It even says it's a lamp unto our feet. So that light did help me. In the pitch black, when we can't see anything, we do feel lost. We start feeling around for the doorknob. We start feeling around for the sink. We start feeling around for what we can grasp at to become familiar, get a grounding, or to know what we need to do. Sometimes life situations feel like that. They feel like darkness. They feel like it's closing in on us. It feels like we can't see, and we're almost grasping for things just to move to the next step. So our life situations can go towards the helpful light. Finding people who are positive and want to help you, but never ever forget that God's word, talking to Him in prayer, which is just talking to Him, He is always there 24/7, nighttime, daytime, and definitely in the dark, as long as we ask Him. So our helpful lights are sometimes in the places that we just wouldn't even imagine, or they pop out of nowhere. Or sometimes when we are in that dark place where I was yesterday in the bathroom, then I'm reminded once again of the helpful light. Have a great day, everyone.